So how you can make over $3,000 in a day with Google Ads. So as you can see over here in my account, you can see the affiliate commissions, $4,900 in 24 hours. So let me show you for all the transparency purposes. So you can see if I click, you can see $4,934 affiliate commissions in one day with only one affiliate offer using Google Ads. So how you can use Google Ads and why you should use Google Ads if you want to promote affiliate networks, affiliate offers online. So let me show you over here the concept that I'm using and why you should apply the same strategy after watching this video. So as you can see, the first thing about Google is intent. So what is intent? Intent is basically what is the person's or audience behavior and why are they searching for the specific information or solution. As you can see, for example, on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, right, and so forth, it just, the main intent is connection, right? It's to be social. But with Google, right, the main intent is to buy. So people go there to look for the information, to look for the specific solutions to the pains and problems. So if your ad appears, for example, let me give you a simple example. Let's say that you are appealing to the audience who wants to lose weight, right? Let's be more specific. Who is our audience? Let's say our audience are females. So let's say females, females, 35 or older, right? 35 years older or older, living in, let's say, US, Canada, and Australia. And what is their, let's say, problem? What is the problem? You have to know what is the problem. Let's say the problem is they are overweight. So main problem, overweight. And then what is the side effect of being overweight? For example, diabetes, right? All of that diseases that comes with being overweight and not being in shape. So this is our audience, right? We specifically know what are the pains and problems and what are they looking for, what are they searching for right now in this moment as we are watching this video, right? What are they looking for? They're looking for specific solutions. So let's say that we have a simple Google pay-per-click ad, right? Google PPC, and we are targeting them with specific keywords, right? And for example, you have different keywords out there, right? One of them could be like, for example, weight loss. So this is very broad thing, right? And you're going to lose a lot of time and money if you're going to target these kind of keywords, right? Really short keyword, but I would suggest you to go after more specific keywords, right? For example, one of the better ideas would be how to lose 10 pounds in summer. For example, this is one of the long tail keywords, right? Specifically in this time, for example, summer, you have to understand who is your audience, right? And the best way to do that is to have a small 15-minute research. You don't have to be any expert in this area, right? But you have to do some kind of small research if you want to get results and if you want not to lose money, not to waste your time, right? And if you want to get results, right? If you want to get these kind of commissions, then below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, WhatsApp and email, where you can reach out to me and ask me any specific questions you have around how to set up your Google Ads, how to deal with Google Ad account being shut down, and how to earn commissions online using Google Ads. So another thing about running Google Ads is to also understand that there is also some part of it is copywriting, right? Understanding what kind of copy you write, right? What kind of headlines you're using, and also copy on your pre-sale pages. What is pre-sale page? It's a landing page. So pre-sale page. So people, let's say people buy, right? Before they are pre-sold. So what does it mean? You have to make sure that you are pre-selling it way before they come to the buy now button, right? Why? Because you have to understand the mentality and psychology of audience that you are marketing, right? You have to understand that they have to be pre-sold. That's why it's called pre-sale page, not the sales page, right? And most people make the biggest mistake, which is using pre-sale page as a sales page or order page, right? And this is a big mistake. So don't do that, right? This is the biggest mistake if you're using landing page or pre-sale page as a way to sell them, right? This is the wrong mentality. So what should be the main thing that you should take away from this video is use pre-sale page first. Pre-sale page, right? Pre-frame your audience and pre-sell to audience, and then what is at the end, right? Let the vendor or the owner sell them. So how you do that? You do that by doing specific things, like for example embedded VSL and different kind of methods. I wouldn't say tricks, but methods and techniques that you can use to make sure that the most amount of people get pre-sold. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say we're promoting $100 supplement, right? Diet pills, right? We're promoting that on ClickBank. And so do the simple math. How much you want to make and how many sales you need in order to make $3,000 or $10,000 per month. So for example, for $3,000, if you're promoting $100 diet pills, right? You need to have a simply 30 sales. So 30 times $100 is, right? It's $3,000 US, right? So you're making $3,000 in a month or in a day if you're having 30 sales. So there are specific techniques, methods, and strategies and fundamentals that you can use to set this up and start having results today. So if you're watching this video, if you want to have done for you affiliate website, one-on-one help and support, setting up the correct way, Google pay-per-click campaigns, setting up the keyword audiences, and also disabling the ones that are not correct, then do let me know after watching this video. Please let me know, click the links below, reach out to me, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.